nails, hair, hips, heels, ass, fat, lips, real, purse, full, big bills, bitch, I'm a big deal. Legs, face, eyes, thin waist, thick thighs.
So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray Fierce with another video, back at it, okay? And today I'm bringing you this cute, fun, triple double cut crease, whatever you want to call it. It's giving you all type of Liz life, okay? It's giving me all type of Liz life. And I use this palette right here, the Norvina Volume 2 palette. It is so freaking gorgeous and so pretty. I'm so happy I picked this palette up. It's freaking everything. And yeah, guys, I'm sorry I keep on looking down because I can't stop staring at myself, sis, because I bitch bad. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I get these crimps, I got a video up on it. And don't forget to go follow me on all of my social medias. Ray Fierce _ Ray Fierce on Instagram, Snapchat, Ray Fierce 20. And all my information is linked in the description box, so you can just go and click that link and go follow me on those social medias so you can see me looking fire as fuck in all my outfits, and just keep up with me over there. You know, I'm over there more than I'm over here on Instagram anyway. And yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. What's up, guys? It's Ray Fierce. Welcome back to the channel. We're just about to jump straight in and get into this video. Sis is looking hella fine. Okay, now we super bright. If you guys want to see how I got these beautiful crimps, go check out my last video. Today we're going to be talking about the Norvina palette. Yay! She came out with different kinds of palettes. This is volume number 2. This is a blue palette. I really love blue shadows. Okay, it comes with like a little cover, little clear sheet. Look at the mirror, guys. The mirror is just huge. That's what I love about the palette, how big and nice the mirror is. Look at the shades. I really like the shades that's in the palette. I feel like the other palettes, I have something like that. I don't have a palette with a whole bunch of blues in it. So yeah, that's why I decided to get this palette. We're just gonna brush our brows up like such. Brush, 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 brush. Then I'm gonna take my Plouise base in rumour number 5. And this we're gonna conceal our whole eyelid with, even under the brow. I'm sorry, I hear these brushes moving around. And I will list the brushes on the video this time. I'm going to take my Morphe brush M335 and I'm going to tap that out like such. And you just kind of want to bring that to the middle of the brow. That's what I do with my extra product, bring it to the middle of the brow. I'm sorry if I sound a little manly. A bitch just woke up and brushed her teeth and got the filming. And it's period. Okay. That's blended. We're just gonna keep that brush on standby just in case we have to go back and blend some more. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay. I don't even know what look we're going for today. We just winging it. I'm with a deep blue first. And I'm gonna take my Morphe brush, M506 brush, and we're gonna dip into that D5 shade. I'm so nervous because I really just don't know what I want to do. But I think that's the shade I want to go in. The D5 shade. I don't think I want this to be an all blue look, but I think that's what it's going to be, an all blue look. I'm trying to think about something different that I can do. I really want to try a double cut crease. But I got to go to work. And you just want to pat that shade down first. Okay, switch of colors. Now I'm gonna go in with 5D and go into that deeper blue shade. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take this Clinique, take the day off, I'll rinse off, I make a removal, dip some of that in there, Q-tip, and go in and make this how I want it to be. Let me blend this some more. So basically I'm using this to go in and cut the crease. I'm gonna take the shade D5 and go and like kind of sharpen it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go under my eye, and I'm gonna take that deeper blue shade that we used, D5, and go in. As you can see, I already did this whole eye off camera. I'm gonna go in with that burgundy shade, which as it says C5. So now I'm gonna go in with these lashes right here. They was $1.99 at the store. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the lash actually looks like. So I'm gonna pop these off, slap these on, then we're gonna move on to the lips. So while our lash is drying, we're gonna go in with some lip liner. I'm gonna take the MAC Cork lip pencil. So I just filled in my whole lip with that. Now I'm gonna go in with Makeup Shayla, Colourpop. What shade is this? Slow Down. Pop that right in this tunnel. And I'm definitely probably gonna put on some gloss on top of that. That went on perfectly. Now we're going to go in and highlight. I'm going to take my Artist Couture MAC Zaddy highlighter. This is in Double Take. And hopefully it's not too light for me. And I'm going to take my Morphe brush, my M510 brush, 510 brush. Ooh, this is really pretty. Mamma mia. And that's period. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and get this video a thumbs up. And let me know what you want to see in the comments. Bye guys.